All right,
Tonight on Liquid Metal Labs, we get lit
we get some sleeves done.
and we melt some copper.
Let's do it.
Alrighty, so let's get the sleeves cut for our burners. So we've got our pipe here, and we 3D printed this. It matches outside diameter and has the perfect angle of the plates on the inside, so we can slip it right on, mark it up, get it cut, and we'll have exactly the angle that we need.
Perfect cut every time.
Every time. Let's get it done.
Let's do it. Dude, even if we don't... Alrighty, now that we've got these things cut, let's go ahead and weld them in. So what we were thinking is we would go ahead and stick them out about an inch for the insulation, just so that it's sticking out and it's not blowing the heat directly into the insulation. Now that they're cut, let's weld these things up.
Let's do it.
Okay, we have two of the burners put in the furnace for the first time. We're just gonna quickly light this thing up, I think, and see if they light, see if they run. But let's give you a little look on the inside here. So one is pulled in and one is pushed out, as you can see.
Testing out different
Yeah.
throat lengths.
Yeah, testing out different lengths, seeing what we like. We don't have any of the insulation in right now. We're just, we couldn't contain our excitement really. So we're gonna put some metal just on the lid to or on the top to simulate a lid. And then hopefully that'll keep some of the heat and some of the air in. We can see some of the swirling effect.
Ooh, so excited.
Yeah, me too.
Let's do it.
Ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Okay.
Let's melt some copper.
Oh shit. Alrighty, well there it is, some scrap pipe that we were able to get a hold of. What do you think?
Yeah, small melt, just one pour, but an exciting one.
It was very exciting.
Yeah.
Who's gonna win this week? Let's take bets on who's gonna win.
I think it's gonna be me.
Well, now I obviously have to say it's gonna be me.
Okay.
Let's see here. Get that on, 10 pounds. Alright, what do you think?
I'm gonna go 7-9.
7-9?
7-9.
Phils. Go 8.6.
Okay. I
see.
think I pushed you high. Let's see.
7.7.
7-7.
Almost dead on.
Gotcha.
Jeez.
Gotcha.
Well,
Okay.
guess you win.
I guess so. Let's add it to the stack.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Make me look snatched. Okay.
Arms are.